quiet in Abuja. Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Today I bring my beautiful sister. Yes, let me put my two beautiful sister and grandma gift. Yes, I will still talk about grandma gift. Thank you all for always coming back to watch Naija Daughter TV. I appreciate every one of you. May the Almighty God continue to bless each and every one of you. Hey, in who did, in who clavant, in who they zuzu. Hey, yes. So today I bring our sister UK family. My sister, I not really get much to tell you. Just know, say nobody go fit hack your channel, and nobody UK family drop this thing for her community tag. Yes, she drop this thing for her community tag because first of all, me, I watch her video. I talk am for my video when I upload today. I watch her video. Then the video was the comment section, it closed. The comment section was closed. Then I do the video. Behold, our sister come outside. She come write on her community. I say, beautiful people, I did not turn off my comment section, and there will be on reason for me turning off my comment section. I said they reported my channel. I will still excel in life. I still they do my thing, and you are not happy about it. Oh yeah, wait, I see if God is not alive, because there is still life after YouTube. What you wish others is what you get. That is true. What you wish others is what we get. You know, when doing people things, we should double think. That one is for that one. Others is what you get in return. Allow me to celebrate anyone and do your own things. Life goes on. Allow me to celebrate. That is true. We should allow everybody, anyone. That is what I always talk in this, life. In mostly this our social media space. Sister UK family. The reason why I want to talk about this, you still drop another one. You say my video is always see for not for kids before I publish them, and this one is still set for not for kid. I say thank God YouTube no be Nigeria company. This one is the second right when she still write for her community. Glory be to God. True YouTube not be for Africa, because sometimes when you go see some things when they happen, thank God YouTube not be for Africa. And secondly, my beautiful sister UK, which I will just try to tell you. First of all, if person report your YouTube, your channel, I try to report as you talk that yesterday, it will backfire there. As far you know, violent anything. And third, now you talk say this your channel, this particular video you set am for no made for kid. Let me tell you, sometimes YouTube on their own wahala, on their own there be problem on their own. I remember video when I published. Now me and my daughter do the mukbang. Then YouTube, I published that video. YouTube bring am down. Nothing wrong. Now just eat, we eat. We laugh, we chat, nothing. Then YouTube bring am down. But there is other video me and my daughter do the same, but YouTube not bring am down. Sometimes YouTube get their own for body. There is this video me and my children we do mukbang also together. The comment section open. But there is this video my children do mukbang. I did the video. I purposely did the video just because of say I want to make the comment section open. YouTube still lock am. Sometimes if they do YouTube body, no be say they report your channel. Sometimes you go over upload video now, you go see limit ad. Sometimes YouTube it full their body from their head to toe. It full am. Okay, for me, my main purpose of react on this your particular community something when you write, just being you, be happy as you talk. YouTube, after YouTube there is life, and now you go by yourself say I'm done with YouTube. Nobody can chase you out of YouTube, and nobody can bring your channel down. YouTube they not be YouTube that they use machine. Yes, they use machine. If they ever demonetize person, YouTube go tell you say reply again. If wetin they do is wrong, then you go reply. YouTube go respond by themselves, still do check. They will still say they make mistake or they don't make mistake. For that, anybody when they after your channel, that person will not succeed. As far you not plan evil against that person, then the person they try to plan evil, it will backfire. Wait till I want just tell you, try be you. For me, just try be you. Just they do your thing, okay? They feed the vibe, they upload your video, as say they do your things. And my grandma gift, please ma, I see you say you dey Abuja with your beautiful daughter. Yes. Wetin be her name? Jenny. I see you. You guys surprise your daughter. I watched am last night, yesterday night. My mommy, grandma gift. My main purpose of react on this particular video. Remember when UK come Uyo, she come visit you. Then another wahala burst. For me, as a mother to Editorial, you dey Abuja now. Please, ma, I wan see how you go fit take settle your daughter and UK. If you really love, if you no like this enmity when dey ground, we the viewers, we want dey watch you now. For me, I no like am. See your daughter and UK, they no dey okay. Many people now, maybe UK talk now, they will feel say they refer to Editorial. Editorial talk now, they will feel say they refer to UK. For me, as you did this Abuja, before you comot, ma, I'm sorry, you no ever come outside, come talk when this matter dey happen. As you dey Abuja, please, ma, na beg me, dey beg as outsider when they watch you now. Talk to your daughter. Editorial na your daughter. UK na your sister daughter. UK, if they still look at as Africa tradition, UK na your daughter. Try call both of them. First of all, before you call UK, I say no, you know the UK hand again. It dey Editorial and her husband hand. Nobody know tomorrow. Nobody know day when you go break anybody tomorrow. You feel say you dey feed in feeds today, you dey feed they do a lot. You dey earn money pass person when you dey bullshit. By daybreak, nobody know wetin go happen. Mommy, for that, I don't wish Editorial anything bad, but I wish both of them picks. Now picks me dey. You understand? Mommy, as you dey this Abuja, not just carry call UK. First of all, talk to your daughter. You are a mother to Editorial. You are a mother to Editorial. If now for you to do that prank when you dey do, now the time now when you take do that prank now, Editorial, if they look at UK senior Editorial, if you not fit do one, mommy, I'm sorry, I go not say you dey enjoy this whole issue, this quarrel when they grand. Editorial na your daughter, you go fit talk to her. You have the key. We be African mother. I grew up with my mom. If my, as I don't be adult, if my mom want do something now, whether she form cry, because na phone, or maybe I dey where she dey, she tell me something, maybe I will say, mommy, you go just, you just by pretend like say, mommy, I just said, leave me now. No, we the African mothers, we get trick when we feel they talk to our, brother, sister, children. Tora na your daughter. The key dey your hand, grandma gift. If you know they enjoy those whole issue, do one. Remember when you go reach Abuja, when this your sister daughter will come visit you, the happiness, the joy, the vlog, the video what they do. Me Pexina, Naija Daughter, family, I dey mix am. No place where they for not the quarrel. Mother and daughter they quarrel. If UK do anything, say make Editorial pay piston. For now, Editorial no know wetin UK do for her. Nobody know tomorrow. I wish Editorial not pay that money. May God bless piston. Nobody know. Now, so my dad they make parable say, he don't know where his daughter go reach. There is somebody who rescue me. This person, now one child he gets, one daughter. Render me help. He say he don't know where her daughter will reach tomorrow. That was sad me. I remember my dad. Oh, my dad will always say, I don't know where my children go tomorrow. Is it my dad's help now? Come to me. This person render me help without nothing, not attach anything. The same statement this person use, he say, I don't know where my daughter. I have only one daughter. I don't know will be a help to my daughter tomorrow. Nobody know tomorrow. As UK use, it force Editorial to pay. Then it bring issue. And not beside they wake all the issue. I wish she not pay. Piston. I don't wish Editorial bad. I don't wish Piston bad. But nobody know tomorrow. Who they down today? God can raise her to climb that story building. He go, they look you when you fix say, who are you? You can't remember you. where you for wrong her. Where mostly person when they suffer. Person when you go look in mother, look his siblings, he see the suffering. And you they hold that money, and that money go a long way for something to run. If that person pass that stage, she will never forgive you. No matter say she can't become billionaire, millionaire, she will always remember. So person like this, because of my condition, I go squat with her. Because me help me build my channel. He can't build and finish. He can't chop the money. You guys, editor are not really what UK do for her. We not talk of today. We talk about our children. Nobody know where your children will reach. My dad not the Europe, but today I dey abroad. My mom not come Europe, but today I dey abroad. Where you not reach, you pray your children to pass them. Your children to reach them. Where you not reach. Please, grandma gift, before I dey talk too long, I go tag you. For me, I dey beg that peace, joy, where we dey wash for YouTube before your daughter go give birth, UK go come there. No. There is some things person they think, no matter what, you will forgive. There is some things Editorial is supposed to forgive UK. He go watch her old video. You know, some people when they hardly to forgive, they always look the part where you for help those people. But you will not look the part when those people for help you. You always feel say you just because you open YouTube channel or it get view as if she they help you. I know they want go deep. Grandma gift. Please settle your daughter and your sister daughter needs. Settle there before you leave Abuja. If you not settle there, because for me, I will personally know say you they enjoy these whole things. Today Abuja, your niece reach Uyo, she come visit you. Then your sister, your daughter husband start insulting your sister. The same that came, this your daughter husband go use them for you. As today Abuja now, tell him to call your sister to apologize. Tell your daughter husband to call your sister to apologize. Make sure you fit settle your daughter and UK. Before doing all those things, make sure, first of all, talk to your daughter. Not be UK. If you call UK to that, mean they see UK. UK go answer you. But talk to your daughter. Make sure peace reign before you leave Abuja. That's what I see. And I dey watch everybody video. I dey watch you na video. I dey watch everybody video. Yes, when Jenny prank you, but that period, I'll still do that video. They come. Many videos they want with the dig, small they come. But please, ma, I will be very happy. And if you do so, God Almighty, remember you be Christian. We keep blessing you. We keep blessing you. We keep blessing you. Now, so I will end that. Abby and family, I will say I will add you some things when I go try to choke inside your video, inside that video in publish. Maybe it will be tomorrow. Yes, let's leave it. Maybe it will be next tomorrow. Friday. Let's leave it today like this. All my returning subscribers, please guys, always watch my video. Don't challenge you now. They say Naija, our big YouTuber for Naija. They say now they give me view. Hey, this one a big slap. Me when I watch my video. Me I don't mind now. Me I don't send that. But when I watch my video. Now what I do now? Just because of 2 weeks holiday, I be 3 weeks holiday. Why just no go? Then I just caravan. When I not caravan to leave me, I go chest now. When I watch my video, I don't come back. Oh, let me see you. Hey, our weather just a door. What that just a door. Or weather just a door. What did they happen? What did they happen? Summer turn to winter.
Nothing to discuss, cause I